R.N. Tagore always criticized the false beliefs and practices of Hindu society. इसका आंसर है हिंदू सोसाइटी. सेकंड है द डाकघर और द पोस्ट ऑफिस shows that this world is only an illusion. Third, nearly dash plays have been erupted from Tagore's pen. इसका आंसर है 15. Which plays written by R.N. Tagore मतलब रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. इसका आंसर है ऑल, उन्होंने सारे लिखे हैं. Which play of Tagore has contemporary theme of abolition of animal sacrifice? इसका आंसर है विसर्जन और sacrifice. Rabindranath Tagore is known outside India principally for his work. इसका आंसर है गीतांजलि. Rabindranath Tagore was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature for his work Gitanjali in 1913. Who is the protagonist of the play Post Office? इसका आंसर है अमल. Who is shown as a bully in the play Post Office? वो है विलेज हेडमैन. Who is the little flower girl in the play Post Office written by R.N. Tagore? Sudha, flower girl. Tagore was highly influenced by his elder brother's wife. She was Kadambari Devi. With the passage of time, Tagore developed knowledge in Bengali, English and Sanskrit. How many acts are there in Tagore's play Post Office? Post Office में है 2 acts. And those who live far off and sit alone by their windows can see the signal. These words in the play Post Office are spoken by Amal. If there is life in his faith, then he will live long. These words are spoken by village physician. The village physician advises that Amal should not be allowed to go out of the house. All people living in this world are swinging between illusion and reality. In the play Post Office, Gaffer creates an interesting illusion by telling the story of the land of parrots. All the relations are itself a big illusion. Man comes and goes in this transient world. When Sudha is going near the house of Amal, he is attracted by the tinkle of her anklets. Madhav is talking to the dash about Amal's illness. Village physician. Rabindranath Tagore began his literary career by Banpul. Tagore received his higher education in England. In which language Gitanjali written? Bengali. Who translated Gitanjali into English? Rabindranath Tagore. Which work is not a creation by Tagore? Anandamath. Which is the autobiography of Tagore? Reminiscences. Rabindranath's father was devoted to Upanishads. Which of the following is a work by Rabindranath Tagore? Gora. Which one of the following is not a play by Tagore? Reminiscences. Rabindranath Tagore had a very high conception of aim and functions of poetry. For Tagore, the object of poetry is to elevate man's soul from materialism and establish communion between man and his surroundings. Tagore, mysticism and romanticism are interdependent and erupt from all. Rabindranath Tagore is a dreamer and artist who is an exponent of the religious idealism of India. Dash is a striking feature of Tagore's poetry. Mysticism, who is adopted son in the play Post Office. Amal. Tagore was an exponent of Swadeshi movement. Initially, the Gitanjali was written in Bengali. When did Tagore receive the degree of D.Litt. from Oxford University 1940? Tagore visited Russia in 1931. Which work belonged to Tagore? Gora. Which of the following work of Tagore does not belong to the genre of play? Homecoming. Which play does not belong to Tagore? As You Like It. Which one of the following is a philosophical work by Tagore? Sadhana. Who is greatly influenced by Tagore? Ezra Pound. Who calls Tagore as a Vakpati, the master of words? S.K. Chatterjee. Peace is true and not conflict. Love is true and not hatred. It is commented by Rabindranath Tagore. Reminiscences is an autobiographical work by Rabindranath Tagore. The play Post Office was written in the year 1912. Who has adopted Amal as his son in the play Post Office? Madhav. Madhav. Amal knows that Madhav is not his real father, but has adopted him. This statement is true. Who thinks that the outer wind and autumn sun, the damp, will harm Amal, the village physician? From a small window, who sees the world outside and is charmed by the passers-by in the street? Amal. According to W.B. Yeats, what is the theme of the play Post Office? Deliverance. The story of Post Office is concluded in the death. In the tense moment of his life, Amal does not think of Madhav, but he hears voice coming from a distant place. Sudha is a female character of Post Office. She is a little girl who sells flowers. Which novel of Tagore generates true national feeling in reader? Gora. What does village doctor advise to Amal? He should not go out. Why is Madhav anxious? Because Amal is sick. Why does Madhav react of physician? He is irritated. On which river does the dairyman's village lie? Shamli. Who calls Amal a sniper snapper? Headman. Who lives in the parrot's island? Only birds. Who enters the scene after Sudha has gone in Act 1? A troop of boys. Sleep is coming over him. Where does the physician speak those words? Act 2. Amal wants a letter from King. Who is Parul, Amal's sister? What does Amal give to the boys? Toys. Toys दिए थे अमल ने उसको. What is the name of Sudha's mother? Sasi. Sasi. Who is selling the curd? Dairyman. Who is Sudha? A daughter of a flower seller. What does Madhav say about hills? They are barriers. What is the man carrying on his shoulders? A bamboo stuff. What do the learned people do according to Madhav? They keep inside and read books. The watchman sounds the gong. What type of man is a guffer? Practical psychologist who asks everyone to maintain silence in Amal's room. Village physician. At this place, Amal sits for the whole day at night near the window. What does Amal like about the watchman? The sound of his gong. Who comes in the guise of a fakir? Gaffer. Badal is a name of king's postman. Where has the fakir recently gone? The Parrot Island. To whom does Amal wish to marry? Dairyman's niece. Silence believer. Who speaks thus? State physician. Who comes to meet Amal at last? Sudha. Who is the last speaker in the play Post Office? Sudha.